Equipment: PE GPS tracker, SIM card built in the tracker, 2 rubber clips, screwdriver, charger, user manual. Click the button. The tracker will make a beep noise and be turned on. Long press the button for 3 seconds. The tracker will make 3 beep noises and be turned off. After a new user registers an account, enter the home to bind the device. Log into your account. Bind the device. Enter the IMEI code or scan the IMEI barcode. Plan a subscription and the device will activate successfully. Note: the GPS signal may be weak indoors. Please activate the device in an open area.